we had Easter break, we had spring break. I went on a wonderful women's retreat. Oh, it was so wonderful. When you have a chance to commune and spend some time with like-minded people, it does so much for your soul. So if you have the opportunity to go to a retreat or just to fellowship with your sisters or your friends, please do it. It is so worth it. You will not regret the time spent, because one thing we can't get back is time and making those special memories, right? So I'm back, guys. I'm refreshed and I'm ready to pull out these videos for you. So I thought I'd start with something small. This is phase one of my backyard makeover, starting with our patio. Something that we enjoy all year long is our back patio. But of course, during the winter's months, you can't have but so much out. So I decided to spruce this up. You know that I'm really big on romanticizing your life and all the small mundane things, making those things special. So being able to come out in the morning for breakfast or after a hard day of work, coming out here, you know, one thing I realized while vacation or my women's retreat is how when you're at these resorts or on cruises, how they make everything so special. I'm going to be panning around so you all can look at everything while I'm talking. How they make everything so special and intentional for you to relax on the cruise. There's so many little areas to sit, to gather, to grab a little drink, to have a little moment to read to yourself or just to look out at the view. And I just found myself sitting in little spots, sometimes by myself, looking out at the water or up at the sky or laying back, just enjoying the breeze and just thanking God to be alive. So many ups and downs in this life. We have to take advantage of these little moments and just thank God that we are healthy and can breathe and just sit outside and soak up the sun. All right, so with that being said, this was really cheap, guys. I used mostly things I already had. Then I went down to my local Walmart and brought little things to spruce things up. So this is my old patio furniture I've had. I do want to get a new set, but for right now, we're just using this. And it's a nice heavy iron piece. I may just buy all new chairs for it because some of the chairs have messed up over the years, which is why I have these chairs on loan from my dad. And so I just put some little cushions on them, and I think they look great. They're the perfect height. No complaints from guests. I love it. All the cushions you see here are from Walmart. I just picked up these little cloths from some kind of bargain bin. They had like a pack of 2, so it was 8 altogether for 50 cents. And so they were 50 cents each. So I was like, you know, I could grab these and do something, and I'm just going to use them for when we have people outside because I just think it's so fresh and summery. My beautiful flower arrangement, Dollar Tree flowers, once again, just spruces things up. Of course, I don't leave it like this all the time, but I'm just giving you an idea of how you can set it out when you host. You can have your snacks on one end, and then you can have your drinks presented. I think people feel really special, even if it's just your husband and your children, when you present stuff like this. So sometimes Kevin and I could come out here and have breakfast, and I will put a picture of juice in there and have our cups, and we'll just sit here and enjoy it. I think it's really sweet, and it really helps to get his day going. He works here at home, so it's just nice to break it up. Or even if we have lunch, even if I go out and get lunch, bring back in some Chick-fil-A salads or Zaxby's or something, I'll bring it out here, set it all up, and we'll sit out here and just have a nice afternoon before he has to go back into his office and work. So it's just really nice. You can do the same thing with dinner in the evening, guys. Just make moments nice. Same thing with this little sitting area. We wanted to have a little sitting area over here. My husband likes to sit in the sun in the morning time. Sorry about my air conditioner going off. Again, guys, you're going to hear a lot of wind. It's a lot of windy day. You may even see a plant fall over. This plant keeps falling over, which I feel like I need to get a real plant because that one keeps falling over. But that was free, so I'm going to use that for now. But my husband likes to sit out here in the sun, so he didn't want me to get like a full tent situation. So I just went and got another umbrella from Walmart. Walmart's umbrellas, these little ones are like $29. They're a pretty good size. And They just put just enough shade so you're not scorching. You know, you can sit over there in that little area. I always have a fan out here blowing a breeze on me. I don't need it today. It's a beautiful breeze. But I got these chairs from Walmart. I got these cushions last year from Walmart. I think these chairs were 30 bucks each. They're a good quality chair. They've held up all year long. Again, Walmart doesn't sell these nice big pillow print palm print this year, so I just had to go with the cushions that they had to kind of tie it in till I find some better pillow options. This, what it looks like a lumbar pillow, is actually the cover that comes with this umbrella. I just stuffed it so that it can look like a pillow, honey. Use every little thing you have. I put a little plant here to cover that ugly air conditioner the best I could. Again, I have more plants and things coming. There's all kinds of white things flying and fluttering everywhere throughout the sky this time of year. So my yard's got little pieces of white everywhere, but forgive that. I try to sweep the patio off as best I can. But yeah, this is my little patio area. I love it, guys. We love to come out here, hook up music, just sit out here. We plan on putting lights, string lights, all out here over the top, going across here all over the top, so we can enjoy even in the evening time. But we really have enjoyed this little area, so I encourage you guys to do the same thing. If you have a little patio, if you have a little deck, get one little chair, get a cushion, get a little table, something you can put your drink on. Pull out your little portable speaker. Go out there, pull yourself some nice lemonade or water with lemon, whatever you're into. Breathe in, breathe out. Read a nice book. Surf the internet. Watch Miss Cat's Life videos. Just enjoy yourself. Find a little spot to enjoy. And make every day a little piece. You get a little vacation every day. Like I say, guys, life is hard. We go through enough. We have to steal our moments of peace when we can. So you can just come out, sit on your little deck, your back patio, whatever you have. Just open your windows in your house and let the breeze come in if you don't have a patio or a deck. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you like my little quick video, and I hope that you all please comment, subscribe, like this video. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really does help me out and my channel a lot. Share my video if you like. If you don't see me posting here on YouTube, please check out my Instagram. I'm always posting videos and reels and things like that over there on Instagram with me and Coco, or with my husband and I, or my children. So please check out my Instagram and leave me a comment. Let me know you came from YouTube or whatever. If you leave a comment, I will get back with you. I will comment back. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. Please, 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 please take time to do a little something special for yourself. Be blessed. See you next time.